Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add guest on Evite. Now if you want to add the guest on Evite, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to add the guest on Evite, then it is very easy and can be done in a very few steps. So here is how you can do it. The first thing which you need to do is install the Evite app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the Evite app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after login, you may simply create or open the event which you have already created. So I have already created an event and I'm at the very last page. So you need to simply follow the on-screen instruction before this. So after that you'll see the option of next guest, and you need to simply add the guest by entering their email address, or also you may invite them by linking your phone address book. So if you have already created an event, you need to click on the option of my event, and here you will see the event which you have created. So you need to click on the option of continue draft, and here you need to add the guest, where you will see the option of add guest or invite guest. So click on the option of add guest, and you can manually enter the email address of the guest you want to invite separated by the commas, or you can simply import the contacts from your email or social media accounts, and you may simply invite them by doing this. So that's it. That's how you can add guest on Evite. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.